Also, I was reading one comment and I want to bring that on right now. आपका जो energy और aura है, I mean, it feels that, some South superstar has come, and they would love to see you doing a South debut.
You can absolutely see that provided I get a good opportunity. Yaar. It's all about getting an opportunity, and if I get to dabble in the South market, why not? It's big and थोड़े genetically भी partially South Indian हूँ मैं. My mom is South Indian, and my father is Punjabi, so I'm a mix of both worlds. So if I get an opportunity, why not?
And somebody you wish to work, सबसे पहले first project, I mean, if given a chance to choose.
I am a big fan of Allu Arjun,
Oh, I would
and
love to see that.
if I get to work with him and collaborate with him on something, I think it'll be crazy. I also like Dulquer Salman. He's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So also talking about reality shows, abhi Big Boss ka finale hua tha, and people think that you should also be a part of some show like Big Boss or Khatron Ke Khiladi, and we would love to see you like on the live feed 24/7. I know the fans are saying that. I'm not saying that. So what do you have to say about that? Which show would you love to do?
I love to do both actually, but only once I'm free from Udne Ke Asha, because whenever either of these shows have come my way, I'm already doing something. Uh, Khatro is something that I have always wanted to do because I have a few phobias and fears and I want to get rid of them.
You
तो
want to get
मुझे
rid of them. I thought you were always a like daring होता है ना challenging बंदा.
हाँ
So
तो वही वही चैलेंज है ना कि खत्म करना
क्या
है
क्या fear है that you want to get rid of?
मुझे थोड़ा डीप वाटर का फोबिया है बीइंग अ पाइसियन दैट्स रियली अनलाइकली उतना नहीं है जितना पहले था बट थोड़ा सा है बैक ऑफ द माइंड और मुझे थोड़ा हाइट्स से होता है
Oh God. Yeah, मुझे भी.
हाँ थोड़ा व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आल्सो आई प्रेफर टू ड्राइव rather than sit on the passenger seat so that I'm busy looking at the road. So it used to be there पहले बहुत ज्यादा अब इतना नहीं होता बिकॉज अब मैं खुद भी अब राइड्स के लिए भी जाता हूँ पहाड़ों पे सब कुछ करता हूँ बट ये दो चीजें मेन है